made possible by you.
These are our new batteries.
No way.
Yeah.
Aquarius Power?
Well, I think somebody misspelled my name. I was surprised they're already here.
7 days only. That's fantastic.
It is.
Yes, it was 21 days.
And that's Greg. That's a person we need to thank too. He was the first one to get the lithium batteries. And it seems like you like them.
They're fantastic.
We moved to Yacht Haven Marina because of the new batteries. This new location was much more sheltered than before. That means less breeze and no chance to cool off in the water since we were next to big marina and also the water was less open, therefore not as clean. I must admit, in such conditions, my mood was deteriorating fast, and I'm not sure if it was my idea or someone else suggested to rent out the hotel for a couple of days. Besides, hotels were really cheap, so we did. We are going for sushi.
10 of those. 10 of those. 2 sets of those. 4 of those. And that's good for now.
We found a nice hotel right on the beach. Just it was the same sadness, as no people around, all shops and restaurants closed, same everywhere next to other beaches.
Don't know what you mean. You can't put all things aside. There's no way out. God knows I've tried. You wait.
The only place that felt lively was the center, where people still had jobs and life was still going on. After a brief discussion, we decided to rent out a place in the center for a month, and that had 2 swimming pools, a gym, and no kidding, a basketball court across the street. But to get in it, we had to do a COVID check. We were taken to this huge checking place, which luckily was empty, and we were pretty fast. They checked temperature, blood pressure, and asked some questions, and shortly we got our approval.
One person? Physician evaluation and management fee, $10 US. Hospital fee, $280 baht, which is a little lower than $10.
And this is our new home for a month.
Very nice place. That is one. Yay! And our humble place. Tibidida. I want to show you the swimming pool. On the roof, the bottom one, because there's a second one. And this is a herb garden.
And the best part of it, only 15 minutes walking, there is a night market, Chiliva Night Market, where we can get street food and even massages. So we didn't feel so lonely after all. Oh, and there was some really cool enchanted forest. And as very common for the season, at night we had our own enchanted rain.
So, walking in rain when you got this on, that's called waterboarding.
Where are you going?
I just want to see what the beaches look like because open, all the beaches open a couple days ago.
So about a week ago, all the beaches were open. So we're gonna go check it out. What's the situation? And we are in our condo, which is downtown Phuket.
It was the only place that had, you know, real things open was downtown Phuket, so we decided to move to downtown Phuket.
And it's been raining a lot. It's been super hot. It's a monsoon season here. So it was no fun on Aquarius, even with new batteries.
Well, you gotta run the genset to run the air conditioning, so that's no fun. And you really can't stay downstairs and do anything because it's too hot.
What happens quite often in Thailand, police do expect that most of the drivers won't have motorcycle licenses. Luckily, Ken does have one. Just the exact spot where the police pulled over Ken and other drivers was not very convenient, right where all the cars are taking exit from the roundabout. But that's off, and we are again on the road to our favorite beaches.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. It don't mean a thing what shape or form that you're in. The place you're from, your wealth, or the color of your skin. When all you have burns to the sky, it's all too late when you wonder why. Cornelia,
Wow. At least there's some people on the beach.
time's been bad. You put smiles on everyone. I think of you
Nice day though.
Yeah,
and of all I should.
pretty nice.
beach for a long, long time.
Even more busy. Wow. Pretty cool. Is it?
Yeah, it's really cool.
So you guys want marquesas?
We did. We did.
Yeah, we've already done it.
Here's a basketball court. Some workout machines, but we have a gym in the building as well. But that's where Ken plays basketball. Woohoo! Man!
Now it's time to get serious. Get really serious.
Happy birthday to you.
My dream gift. Oh my God, you are so amazing. Thank you, babe. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. 21 minutes?
So I'm sitting here on the bridge of my ship, and I'm checking the weather, and I'm all happy with myself because just got Kim's birthday taken care of. And I'm thinking to myself, who else's birthday's in June? Somebody's in June. Ken's birthday's in June. When is it? Chief Mate, Captain.
Go ahead, Captain.
When is Ken's birthday?
I don't know, sir.
All right, well, find out and get back to me on that, please.
Aye, sir.
All right, we got to figure out when Ken's birthday is. I'm gonna look over here at the engineering computers. I see sprinklers, doors, HVAC, general tanks, motion control, propulsion. There's no birthday tabs. Second mate,
Yes, sir.
is that chart up to date?
It is up to date.
When is Ken's birthday?
I don't know, sir.
Well, why not?
It's a chart, sir. It wouldn't say.
It's a chart. Ugh, okay. Is it on the clock? Well, the clock would tell me, but only on Ken's birthday. Okay, the barometer. Ooh, pressure's rising. I better find this out. All right, we're gonna look over here. I've got the GPS. It's giving me no guidance. AIS, there's a list here. Ken. I don't see the list for Ken. Ken's not on the AIS. All right, the Ectus. The Ectus? Oh, no guidance. All right, let me check one thing here. Got the radar. Ken's birthday is not on my radar. All right, I'm gonna check over here. We're looking okay. It's on the cameras. I'm not seeing it on the cameras anywhere. How about the fathometer? I can't fathom it. I know, I'll call Tokyo. Come in, Tokyo. Hello? The knobs are missing. All right. Second mate, I've got to find his birthday. Where is Ken's birthday?
Captain, have you tried to use the laptop?
The laptop? What's on the laptop?
Well, a calendar, I'm sure.
A calendar? A calendar? Okay. See, it's a laptop. Good. It's Ken Power's birthday. Oh my God, he's old. I didn't realize he's going to be old on Tuesday, though. Ken, this is a direct order. Have a happy birthday. And remember, take it from a professional master. Use the right tool for the right job. And for birthdays, that's a calendar.
Oh, that was awesome.
That was?
Yes, it was.
All about.
beach. Wear a mask. So how's your birthday going?
Shivila got me, well, got a bunch of friends to wish me birthday greetings through a video. That was really, really cool.
Who's been drinking all my wine?
I don't know.
It's almost gone.
Cool shades.
Why, thank you. I thought they looked pretty nice.
Hello, Captain.
Yes.
Are you gonna come in?
Time was going by, and we did our best to keep our spirits up. But situation regarding COVID and its restrictions was remaining unclear. So were our travels and the plans. And some very, very hard decisions were made.
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
They said they came from Spain.